Alright, we're here at H20 International 2004. I'm here with Craig, and Craig's from the Dag Ball Rally. Now, I understand this has been the biggest one you guys have had, or is this the first one, or what? Tell me the situation here.
We started last year with the Dag Ball, which we had a group of people from New Hampshire and New Jersey come down to H20. Turned out to be a pretty fun event, and then we decided, coming in, we know shoot pretty well, that we wanted to have people experience the same kind of fun, but have it in a controlled environment, and make kind of like a runoff of just the old movies, the fun stuff, and, you know, positive attitude, and just have a blast.
Now tell me a little bit about the car club. It's Dub Audi, right?
Yeah, dubaudi.com. What we do is we have a lot of members from the New York, New Jersey metro area, New Hampshire, Vermont. We take all applications. We have 5 people that basically decide which cars come in. We like clean cars, nice looks, and we like to make sure the mentality of the person is, you know, pretty much easygoing, laid back, doesn't have an attitude, is not looking for confrontation, and just can enjoy an environment of hanging out, showing your car, and not have a bad attitude towards everybody else.
Got you, and that seems to be the culture that kind of goes throughout, though, of Audi and VW drivers. There is definitely a culture that follows the drivers that I think, well, you know, it beats any Honda group, any Mitsubishi group that I know of.
That is true. You don't get the headbutting and the confrontation of, hey, your Volkswagen's better than mine. It's usually like, hey, I like what you've done. And you pick ideas from other people, and you have a good time, and you wind up usually, hey, I'm going to talk to this guy for 5 minutes, and 2 hours later you're still by the car, and your girlfriend's pissed off, your wife's pissed off, the family's looking at you, and, you know, so, yeah, it's laid back and fun.
All right, I'm here with Chris from APR, H20 International 2004, and you're actually, we're cutting away from the shop where we're actually doing some of the work where these guys are there doing it right now.
Well, the 2000 GTI, what we're going to do is one of our Stage 3 turbo kits. Actually, it's going to be a Stage 3 Plus. It's a new iteration that we've come up with, another 40 horsepower on top of the 300 that we already make now with the kits. It's full turbo kit, manifolds, turbo, all the lines, all the front mount intercooler. So it's going to be a car that is going to be taking everybody off the road. So probably on the 93 octane, it's going to be right at 300 horsepower. So the 340 is like crank horsepower, so it's going to be pretty sick.
One's got to wonder, when you take a car that normally has 180 horsepower and you bump it up to about 340, how do these cars hold up?
These engines and cars are built really well. We've done some cars on our own that have gone a little bit past that, and these cars hold up great. They're great out of the factory, bottom end, everything like that, so there's not a problem. The suspension is, once you do a suspension, the car feels great on the road.
Now, I'd also like to mention that you guys are going to be putting a 3-inch turbo back exhaust, which is new for you guys.
Yeah, it's something that have been a lot of requests from us. In the past, we've just had a 2.5-inch, but with a turbo kit, and that power with the 3-inch system, we're really excited about having the full mandrel bend 3-inch stainless steel system.
I think it's going to put more out at the wheels then, don't you?
It probably will. We'll have to see once we get that on there and get it on the dyno. That's the proof's in the pudding there.
All right, we're back here at H20. We're with David from Street Trends. He's going to tell us a little bit about what he does. He takes care of the graphics for us, and we're also going to be talking about some audio with him. David, tell us about what you do.
We got a shop out in Lexington Park, Maryland, down in Southern Maryland, and we do vinyl graphics, high performance modifications to cars, custom audio. That's our big thing. Any kind of automotive system, from amps, subwoofers that you can get, any kind of accessories, anything on the cars. Wheels, rims, tires, we do it all.